welcome to Southwestern College-CJUS 425, Criminal Law and Procedure, Unit 4 Overview. This week, our discussion question involves what is the test for the insanity defense in your state? Who bears the burden of proof once the defendant introduces some evidence of insanity? Do you think the test in your state adequately protects A, the public, and B, the defendant's rights? Provide and discuss a recent case where the insanity defense was used. Was it successful? There are several parts to this question. Please ensure that you answer all parts of our discussion question this week. Our reading assignments are chapters 11 through 14. You have a Unit 4 quiz, as well as Unit 4 scenario assignment. In addition, this week you have a writing assignment, case analysis paper. What constitutes a deadly weapon? This assignment is submitted to SafeAssign. Please ensure you review the grading rubric for the assignment. This assignment requires research and substantive discussion to the questions. Therefore, it is important that you clearly illustrate your critical thinking and analytical skills. Please ensure you follow APA style for citations. Include a title page and a reference page of all sources, references that are used. Make sure you use the corresponding in-text citations for all quoted and/or paraphrased material. Case analysis resources. Under Unit 4, Reading Assignments and Preparation, I have posted some additional resources. There is the Ashford University Guidelines for Writing a Case Study Analysis, Purdue Online Writing Center Lab, Organizing Your Analysis, Organizing Your Social Science Research Paper, Writing a Case Study. In addition, there is an article, Lethality, Public Carry, and Adequate Alternatives. Under Assigned Readings and Preparation, as discussed, you can see the additional resources as well as the website for Organizing Your Social Sciences Research Paper, Writing a Case Study. As always, if you have any questions or are in need of assistance, please ensure that you contact me. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.